Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this look that you guys see right here. It's October, Halloween, you know what it is. I had a little bit of difficulty doing this look. Originally I was gonna do like purple and black situation, but I don't have like creams, purple and black. So I did a whole mess with glitter and everything, and I had to like take it off, etc, etc. And then I remembered I had this in my makeup collection and I only used the green one. Anyway, so I did this look. Is called, by you guys can see on the title of this video, this is a not so nice bad witch makeup tutorial. Even though I had a little bit of problem, I really had a lot of fun doing this look. I kept that face kind of simple, but it's not really simple, but you know what I mean. I did the black, the purple, and the green. I did this look because one of my friends, Carla, she wants me to do her makeup for Halloween, and she wanted to do like a witch smoky situation. I was like, okay, let me do it on myself first, and then let's see how that goes, and I'll do it on you. So I really like how it looks. It looks really cool, and it looks exactly like I had it in mind. I know it looks like a little bit like Little Mermaid, a little bit of a Little Mermaid situation because of the colors that I used. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay babes, to start off with the look, I'm going to be taking that purple shade and I'm going to be placing that shade on the crease. Now I'm going to be taking that darker shade and I'm going to be dipping it up the crease. Now I'm going to be taking that black shade and I'm going to be placing it in the inner and outer parts of my eye. Now I'm going to be taking that purple glitter shade and I'm going to be placing it in the center of my lid. Now I'm going to be taking that highlighter in the center of my eye for a little bit of a pop. And now I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl primer and the Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to be placing both of those products on my face. Now I'm going to be taking the Age Rewind concealer and I'm going to be placing it on my under eye. Now I'm going to be taking the Airspun setting powder and I'm placing it all over my face. Now I'm taking that green shade from the Glam Pro Forever eyeshadow palettes and I'm going to be placing it on my under eye. I'm going to be taking the dark green and I'm going to be placing it as close as possible to my waterline. Now I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, those two shades, and I'm going to be contouring and bronzing my face. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX Ombre Blush in the shade New to Me. Now I'm going to be taking that beautiful mint highlighter and I'm going to be highlighting to the gods. Now I'm going to be taking that black liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. Now I'm going to be taking that green cream thing and I'm going to be placing it all over my neck. I really did this because of that big mess that I explained to everyone at the start of the video, and I think I liked this better than the ugly mess that I had before. So guys, that's the finished look, and this is Kendall, my lovely little baby, and because I'm a witch I have a little cat with me, even though she's not completely black, but she's, you know, she's mad at me. I'm just gonna let her go. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all like this look and this video as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go and hit the like button and hit the notification button so you don't. Anyways, el punto es que le den al botoncito de notificaciones para que les salgan las notificaciones y pues no se pierdan mis videos. That's it. Okay, good. Anyways, now after all the hectic, I'm going to leave you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next video.